Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie is taking aim at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation's previous administration as well as developers for the extensive damage done to two recently renovated buildings in the parish. Now, the minister toured the Savlamar Market and Infirmary on Wednesday, where he also said that building approvals for housing construction will also be reassessed. Krista Campbell has details.
Millions of taxpayers' dollars spent over several years gone with the winds of Hurricane Melissa within hours, both at the Savlamar Market as well as the Infirmary in Westmoreland. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie, who toured both facilities on Wednesday, says over $35 million was spent on a new wing at the infirmary alone.
It took almost 8 years to build it. And when I came here today and saw the quality of the work, the poor workmanship, I am deeply disappointed. And I don't know if there's anything in the contract that we can find the contractor and ask him to remedy the wrongs that was done in the construction of the building.
But the minister was at pains to stress that the developer is not the only one responsible for what he deemed as shoddy construction.
I have to hold the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation and the ministry's technical team. I must hold them responsible for the fact that a building that is not even 3 years old has experienced a level of damage that the building has experienced.
He said he's extremely upset that the poor oversight has also put the work of the government into question.
It's not that the government have not done anything, but a lot of what was done has been taken by Melissa because of poor workmanship. And Melissa is not to be blamed for everything. What Melissa did is to lift up the skirt and show everybody what was underneath.
He says work is to begin immediately to either slab a part of or the entire roof of the infirmary. And urgent remedial works will also be done at the Savlamar Market using the government's emergency procurement system. But the minister stressed that to ensure the same construction error is not made, his ministry will take responsibility for the oversight of the repairs.
I am not going to allocate resources for works to be undertaken to give any butcher or any cobbler, because the works that I've seen here speaks volume to the level of construction that has taken place.
And in a parish like Westmoreland, where Mr. McKenzie says 7 out of every 10 houses built out of board, he says there will be a review of how the municipal corporation grants building permits going forward.
A lot of building applications that are being made where roofs have been blown off, they will have to be examined and to see what is it they're applying to put back.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.